How to create Nintendo account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Nintendo account step by step, whether you are new to Nintendo or just setting it up for someone else. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to the official Nintendo website at accounts.nintendo.com. And once you are in the home page, simply click on create a Nintendo account. And once you see the interface like this, choose your age group. If you are 13 or older, select the standard option, and for kids under 13, will need help from their guardian to set up their account. Now enter your details. Nickname. This will be your display name. Email address. Make sure it's valid as you will need it to verify your account. And password. Create a strong and secured password. Date of birth. Choose your date of birth and enter it correctly. And at last, pick your country or region. And once you have filled out everything, check the box to agree to the terms of service and then click submit. And after that, Nintendo will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click the verification link, and this confirms your account. Or you can simply put on the code that have been sent to your email address to verify your account. And once you are done with that, simply click on confirm. And once your account is verified, you can customize it further. You can link your account to social media platforms, you can add a profile picture, or you can even set up parental controls if needed. And that's it. Your Nintendo account is ready to use. You can now access Nintendo eShop, manage game purchases, and sync with your Nintendo Switch or other device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.